Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this cute look featuring a wig that I received from Nadula Hair Company on Amazon. Before I put the wig on, I'm actually going to use a foundation that matches my skin complexion, and I'm going to just tap that right in the center of my wig cap. And I do this just so that everything can blend much better and look more natural. This wig is actually a middle part closure unit, and this is how the hair looks after washing it and letting it air dry. So this wig comes with wig clips. It has three actually. It has two in the front and one in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So the same thing that I did for my wig cap is the same thing that I'm going to do for the closure. So right in the middle, I am going to just tap a little bit of my liquid foundation onto it, and then I'm going to do the same thing right in front of the hairline, the illusion where it looks like it's actually your hairline. I'm going to do the same thing over there so that the wig can look as natural as possible. So now I'm cutting off the excess lace on the closure, and the way that I like to do it is by moving my hand up and down in a zigzag motion so that I don't have like a clean cut, but like a zigzag cut, and this helps to make the closure look as natural as possible. So now I'm just gonna put the wig on and just see how everything looks. And I'm gonna be honest guys, I actually really like this wig. I was very impressed, especially like after just putting it on and placing it properly, and then like just looking at it. I didn't have to do much to it for it to blend and look as natural as possible. So that's definitely one thing that I like. So now I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm just going to flatten down my middle part and just make sure that everything is as nice and flat as I like it. Now I'm going to use my smoothing liquid pearl serum from OGX on the hair so I can style the hair. I just wanted to come back real quick and just give you guys like my final opinion on this hair. So overall, I really like this hair. I would give it a 10 out of 10. What I really appreciate about this hair is that it is super beginner friendly. It didn't give me any sort of trouble whatsoever, and yeah, like that's one of the biggest things for me, you know. I don't want a wig that I have to do too much for too before I like it. So yeah, I like this wig a lot. And if you're a beginner and you know you're interested in trying out wigs, I would suggest that you know you try this wig out. It's really nice and I really like it. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found it informative. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!